In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error that says CapCut requires access to the album for editing and saving videos. If you've been frustrated by this issue, you're not alone. This is a common problem that can prevent CapCut from saving or exporting videos properly. The good news is, with just a few adjustments to your settings and some basic troubleshooting, you can get everything running smoothly again. So, whether you're a content creator or just someone looking to edit personal projects, let's fix this together step by step. Before we dive into the solution, if you're new to CapCut and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to get started. First, let's begin by opening the Windows privacy settings on your PC. The reason for this step is that CapCut requires permission to access specific folders on your computer, such as your Documents or Pictures folder. Without these permissions, the app can't save or edit your videos properly. To access privacy settings, simply click the Start menu, type Privacy Settings, and select it from the search results. Once you're in Privacy Settings, locate the section that manages folder access permissions. Look for the permissions related to accessing Documents, Pictures, or Videos folders. Here you'll want to ensure that CapCut is listed as allowed for these folders. If it isn't, you'll need to enable those permissions. This is crucial because it lets CapCut interact with your files and ensures that everything saves correctly. After enabling the permissions, close all open applications and restart your PC. Restarting is an important step because it helps the system recognize the new changes you just made. It also clears out any minor glitches that might be interfering with how CapCut operates. Once your computer is back on, launch CapCut and navigate to its Settings menu. Inside the Settings, find the tab labeled Performance. Within this tab, you'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Go ahead and uncheck this option. Disabling it can help resolve compatibility issues related to folder permissions or exporting errors. Some users have reported that this setting causes conflicts with how CapCut interacts with your system, so turning it off is a good troubleshooting step. Now, save the changes you've made within CapCut and try exporting your video again. If the problem persists, the next step is to check for updates to the CapCut software. You can do this either through the CapCut website or by visiting your App Store. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that enhance compatibility with your computer. If an update is available, download and install it. After installing the update, close CapCut completely and restart your PC once more. Restarting after an update ensures that all the new files are properly loaded and that the software runs smoothly. Next, clear CapCut's cache. This can usually be done through the app itself or through your system settings. Clearing the cache is helpful because it removes temporary files that might be corrupted or causing issues. Don't worry, this process will not delete any of your videos or projects, so it's entirely safe to do. While you're at it, double-check that your hard drive has enough free space. CapCut requires sufficient space to save and export videos effectively. If your drive is running low on space, clearing up some room can resolve potential saving issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix the error and ensure CapCut has proper access to your files. We've covered everything from adjusting Windows privacy settings to clearing the cache and checking for updates. So now you know exactly how to resolve the CapCut requires access to the album issue. If you have any other questions or run into any other problems, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.